So I haven't ridden this trail in 20 years. Hiked it, I think, 5 years ago. We'll see what I can do of it. But I think parts of it are going to be well and above my capabilities. Whoa. I'm already slipping. Okay. My first wet ride of the year. Oh, and there's the sign. Got a picture of me, what, 93, 94? Standing at it. Okay, go. Oops. Come on. Oh, wrong line. Oh. Oh, tag the tree. Am I going to make that today? No. Ah, shit. Should have. No. Come on. Come on. Huh. Oh. Having a bad ride. Nearly over. Oh, I should have went that way. Ooh. I'm slipping on some roots there. So I am riding a little bit way too tense because of all the roots I've slipped on so far. Nearly slipped on that one. Looks like we're about 250 meters from the end of the trail. Ooh. Hey, hey. Take that tree. I don't think I can do this one if it was dry. Yeah, my balance is shot right now. Okay. Come on. fuck do I got here? Bad line. Okay. I zagged when I should have zigged. Ended up on a old trail. Come on. Yeah, I'm not gonna make that. Made that. These roots are just making my life hell right now. Come on. Whew. I think I'm calling it right there.